Removing wires and cables in Photoshop is now easier than ever, and you can do it without even making any selection. Yes, that's true. The new version of Photoshop makes it super fast, and I am here to show you how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, look at this picture. You can see a lot of wires and cables here and there, even in the buildings. Okay. So we're gonna remove all these with just one click. No selection, no complex settings. Okay. To do this, come into the remove tool option. You can find it here. Just right click on the mouse and here is your magic tool, remove tool. Just select this. Okay. Create a new layer to make it in non-destructive way. And now you will find destruction option. Just click here to expand and you will get one click removal wires and cables. Yes. And make sure you have selected sample all layers. Okay. And here is three modes. One is auto. That means Photoshop will decide. And another one is generative AI on and one is generative AI off. So I'm going to use auto because Photoshop is master, right? Not in every situation, but sometimes. So now just find destruction and one click removal. Hit the wires and cables. Give some time, Photoshop will do the rest and let's see the result. Okay, it's done. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. We had some cables here and look at this. This was the before and this is after. Look at this, man. This is so insane and you can do it by just one click. That's really impressive. So that's it. The tutorial is done and I hope you love this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments if you want more quick tutorial like this, and don't forget to subscribe.